Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss reliability in psychological testing. Reliability is a fundamental concept that refers to the consistency and reproducibility of test scores. A reliable test produces similar results under consistent conditions, ensuring that it measures what it is intended to measure consistently over time. This consistency is crucial for the validity and usefulness of the test results, as it indicates the dependability of the test scores. Methods to estimate reliability. Several methods are used to estimate the reliability of psychological tests, each with its unique approach and advantages. 1. Test-retest method. Procedure. A single test is administered twice to the same sample, with an appropriate time gap between the two administrations. Reliability coefficient. Scores from both administrations are correlated to obtain a reliability coefficient, indicating the temporal stability of the scores over time. Limitations. This method can be cumbersome and time-consuming, affected by practice and memory effects, and may suffer from attrition and maturational effects. Despite these limitations, it remains popular due to its ease of computation. 2. Split-half method. Procedure. A single test is split into two comparable halves, and both halves are administered as a single test. Reliability coefficient. Scores from each half are correlated to obtain a reliability coefficient. Advantages. This method does not require multiple test administrations and provides a measure of the equivalence of items, indicating content sampling reliability. 3. Alternate form method. Procedure. Two equivalent forms of the same test are prepared and administered to the same sample with a time gap. Reliability coefficient. Scores from both forms are correlated to obtain a reliability coefficient. Advantages. This method measures both the equivalence of items and temporal stability, addressing sources of variance associated with test content sampling. 4. Internal consistency method. Procedure. This method measures the inter-item correlation within a single test administration. Reliability coefficient. It assesses the degree to which each item of the test measures the same construct. Advantages. It directly relates to the unidimensionality of the test, ensuring that the test items reflect a single dimension consistently. Conditions for reliability coefficient. The reliability coefficient of a test can be influenced by various conditions. 1. Whether the test is administered to the same sample twice on different occasions. 2. The correlation obtained between two equivalent forms of the same test. 3. The correlation between two equivalent halves of the same test. Factors influencing the reliability of tests. Several factors can influence the reliability of tests, categorized into extrinsic and intrinsic factors. 1. Extrinsic factors. External factors, these include guessing, environmental conditions, momentary fluctuations, and sample heterogeneity, all of which can affect test reliability. 2. Intrinsic factors. Length of the test. Both very short and very long tests can create consistency issues. A moderate length, decided by the population's ability level, item difficulty, and testing objectives, is ideal. Difficulty levels of items. Tests with extremely difficult items produce poor reliability. A moderate difficulty level is required for higher reliability. Homogeneity. Higher homogeneity among test items results in higher reliability. Discriminating power of items. Items should have a moderately high discriminating power to ensure the test effectively differentiates between varying levels of the construct being measured. Score reliability. The degree of agreement among scores influences the overall reliability of the test. Higher agreement leads to higher reliability. Conclusion. Understanding and ensuring the reliability of psychological tests is crucial for the validity and usefulness of the results. Various methods, such as the test-retest, split-half, alternate form, and internal consistency methods, provide different ways to estimate and enhance reliability. Considering both intrinsic and extrinsic factors further ensures that the tests yield consistent and dependable results. Ensuring reliability is a critical step in the development and implementation of psychological tests, ultimately contributing to their effectiveness and credibility in measuring psychological constructs. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.